everyone, and welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. It is 7:20 in the morning and I'm trying to get this done before I have to jump on the computer. Hopefully I don't rush this. If I do, I'll try and break it up into different videos so I don't sound so rushed. So stitchfix. stitchfix is an online styling service. You pay them a $20 fee. A stylist will curate a box of 5 items. Keep what you love, send back what you don't. That $20 fee gets applied to whatever you keep, and if you don't keep anything, you do lose that $20. I have been offered the Style Pass. It expires in July, so I can get unlimited fixes. I paid $49 for that Style Pass, and I can get as many fixes as I possibly can want. And it doesn't cost me anything, and that $49 also gets applied to whatever I keep. So the shipping is free both ways. It's very easy to do. You just literally throw everything back into a plastic bag, stick it in your mailbox, and the mailman comes, picks it up. If I have more expensive fixes, I do drop it off at the post office and get that receipt. Stitch Fix has been in the news lately. Not good, unfortunately. You can Google it on your own. They laid off their full-time stylists and they're going to part-time stylists only. Those people were given until I think March, if I'm reading the things correctly, to either decide to go part-time or take severance, and they're losing all their full-time benefits. Wantable capitalized on this and made an ad in saying how their employees are the most important to them. It was a Facebook ad. And then on top of that, I'm understanding that Daily Look is now basically hiring all these Stitch Fix stylists now as full-time there. So there's a little drama going on in the clothing box world, and you can read up on this on your own. It's all public information. So let's talk about this fix. I do get a preview. I kept 3 items out of the preview. One of the items I kept are these bottoms. These bottoms are Cosmic Blue Love, the Callie wide leg pant. They called it in coral. Now, I was a little bit nervous about getting this in the color coral. I'm not big on bright colors on the bottom, as you know. I will wear color bottoms, and I do have a couple pair of bright ones. But to have really bold, bright bottoms, it's out of my comfort zone, and I don't feel confident wearing them. So they were, the color they're calling coral, but they didn't look really coral online. These are a size 0, $98. They have the slash pockets here in the front, fake pockets here in the back. They're a wide leg as described, and these are really nice pants. And I would, these are ones that I picked from my preview, all right? I would keep them if I didn't own a pair already in a very, very similar color. So these pants I would not call coral. I would call them like, they're very muted. They're almost like a dusty cinnamony, all right? They're not coral at all, at least not what I would call coral. And I would say it's like an earthy neutral, like almost like a clay kind of color. So the description on the color is wrong on these, and these are totally my style. Love them, but alas, I'm not keeping them. I did not look at the content. I believe they're mostly cotton. I'll try and look at that afterwards. The sweater, all right? I needed 2 more items. The sweater is one that my stylist had sent me. This is the pink, PINQUE, Munya V-neck sweater in beige, extra small, $48. Not a bad price and not a bad quality sweater. This sweater is 70% rayon, 30% polyester. It is made in China. It has like the balloon sleeve, like the larger cuff, as you can see. It's also like ribbed throughout, vertical over here, horizontal on the sleeves. It's got that dropped shoulder, I think, or no shoulder at all. I'm looking here. And it has a banded bottom, which I do like, and it has a wrap style. Unfortunately, I don't know if you can see this, but this is just too big for me. The return here needs to be, and again, I'm only 5'2", I'm petite. This needed to be about a good inch or 2 less fabric here and in order to lay flat. And I have a lot of clothes, and I'm not gonna settle for something that doesn't fit me right. So the bottoms are no, only because I have similar, and the top just does not fit me well. If you were taller than me, I would recommend this top. I think it is a nice little sweater. And it's like lightweight, it would transition well to spring, neutral color, it just doesn't fit me right. All right, give me a minute and I'll demonstrate the next pieces. Okay, the pants, in case you were wondering, were 54% cotton, 33% lyocell, 11% polyester, and 2% spandex. Very nice pants, would recommend them, but like I said, I already own a similar color, so I try and be picky. All right, the next top. This top is by AMOUR VERT, the Agnes Modal knit top. They're calling this color burnt orange. I'm also leaning towards this has more of a cinnamon color to it. This is $68 and it's 96% modal, 4% spandex. I think for the quality of this top, I was originally going to say that it is a good quality, but I just noticed something that I don't care for, all right? I notice here that the edge is not finished. It's literally just a raw edge. The fabric is very nice. It does wrap like this. Again, it's just a little bit too big for me. I'm 5'2" and I have a petite torso. I'm usually an extra small, and extra smalls usually fit me, but it really just depends on the top. Sometimes I do need to go down to petites because I'm just short-waisted. This one, it's just not worth it to me because of the fit. The material feels fantastic. It has nice styling. You know, it has a couple buttons. I think buttons in the back? No, it's just a pull-on style with like an elastic neck here in the back. And again, a wrap and a banded bottom. But again, I think it's just a little bit too loose and long on me. The skirt is a purchase I did myself through Shop Your Looks. I first saw this skirt on Nordstrom's website. I then saw it on Stitch Fix's Shop Your Looks. I figured, let me do it from Stitch Fix, even though I'm paying in advance just like I do from Nordstrom. Shipping and returning is a lot easier with Stitch Fix. So I can throw this skirt, if I don't like it, right into my fix. And I get credited back a lot faster, and it's a lot easier than me driving down to Nordstrom Rack to redo a return. So I said, what the heck, let me just order it. So I did order it. If many of you follow me, I'm a shorty, and typically longer length skirts don't do me any justice. They don't really help my shape. I'm also kind of curvy, so it kind of typically makes me look a little bit wide on the bottom. I'm gonna look back at the footage to see how this is, because I know this style skirt is really on trend. I'm gonna look to see how it is. You can leave your notes in the comments below what you think of the skirt and how it is on me. This skirt is by Sanctuary. It was $98, and I don't remember the name of it, but it is 98% cotton, 2% spandex. It fits me fine. It's just a matter of whether this style looks nice on me or not. Let me know in the comments below what you think and whether or not you think I should keep this skirt, or if I should just look for a whiter, shorter skirt. So I am looking for a white skirt, denim skirt for summer. Whether this is it or not, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next piece. Okay, the next up is this dress by The General Good, the Bali sleeveless dress in black, size extra small, $48. While that might seem like a good price for Stitch Fix, this dress is super thin. It's 100% polyester. You know, it does have nice styling. That much I do have to give credit for. I do think it fits me nice here. I do think I like the slit here. It does have adjustable straps, but the material quality of this, I mean, polyester is one thing, but this is super, super thin and seems like it would tear. Moreover, it's a size extra small, and I think the General Good is more of like a juniors brand. This one is way too small on me. Prove it to you. Cannot zip it up here in the back. So this is obviously a no. I do not recommend this. To me, this is something you can get like at H&M or Forever 21 for about 20 bucks. I mean, honestly, I'll be very honest with you. It's not a great quality. So this is going back. Let's see. That's 4. I have a pair of sneakers to show you. Give me a minute. Last up is a pair of sneakers for you. These sneakers are by DV, by Dolce Vita, the Amino sneaker in black, size 7, $60. All right, so obviously these are not leather for $60. DV is the lower end name brand of Dolce Vita. It is a slip-on style with the elastic bands. It has like a plain faux leather here at the toe bed, and then it has the stitching, hopefully you can see it here on the side. And a white bottom. All man-made materials, made in China. I'm stepping back. No, I would not wear my pants like this. No, I would not wear this even together. My thinking was I have faux leather leggings that I tend to wear casually sometimes, and I wanted some cool black sneakers to wear with them, but these are not it. I don't think these are cool at all. I think they're kind of ugly, to be honest with you. They're not floating my boat. And I'm like, but Carolyn, you're the one that picked them out from your preview. Yes, I did. I fully admit that. So these are not me at all. I think what I'm looking for is like a black and white, like Adidas pair that might be in like black suede. That's what I'm thinking. Something a little bit more cooler. These I do not like at all. So these are going back. And that is my fix. So I had the sneakers, the dress and as far as comfort goes, these are okay. They're not super comfy, but they're not hurting my foot. And I only have it on the one foot. I'm not even gonna bother unpacking the other one. The General Good dress, that was way too small. Cosmic Blue Love, great pair of pants, have something similar, have to send it back. The AMOUR VERT top, quality, and consider the fabric was good, the stitching could have been a little bit more finished, and it was $68, and I think for $68, I think I would have wanted it finished, but on top of that, I just felt the fit was a little bit too big and off, and the pink Munya sweater also too big. So this was kind of like the Goldilocks of fixes. The shoes and the pants fit, but nothing else did. You know, just some sizing issues, this one. And yeah, now unfortunately, this one I'm sending all back. There's just nothing that really grabbed my attention except for those pants, and I just cannot justify another pair of pants in that color. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care. Till next time.